Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are doing well. This is your English period, and today we are gonna do our book activities. Please open your books. As you know that we are doing the exercises of a poem "Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening." On the same page which we did yesterday, there are some exercises left, and inshallah we will complete all the exercises today. This exercise is about abbreviations, and you are pretty much familiar with this term from your childhood, from your uh, junior classes. Students, abbreviations is a shortened form of written word or a phrase used in place of the whole word or phrase. What is it? It is a shortened form of a written word or phrase used in place of the whole word or phrase. For example, USA is abbreviation of United States of America, right? So when we are using USA, you are not repeating the whole phrase again, United States of America. You're not repeating it. You are using at the place of the whole word or phrase. Got it? So the question is that why do we write abbreviations? We do write abbreviations maybe to save space and time, and most of the time to avoid repetitions of long words and phrases. And most of the time we use abbreviations for courtesy titles. For example, we use MR for Mr., MRS, Mrs. for Mrs., DR for doctor. So they are the courtesy titles. And we use abbreviations for times and dates, and like AM, PM, and NOV for November, DEC for December. And then we use abbreviations for places like US for United States, UK for United Kingdom, UAE for United Arab Emirates. And then we use abbreviations for units and measurements like IB for pounds and FT for feet, so and so on. So this is the exercise. We have talked much about abbreviations. They said, see if you can write abbreviations for the following. Some of them are already, you are familiar with them, and maybe some of them are new for you. Master of Science, M.Sc, MSc. His or Her Majesty, HM. Member of Parliament, MP. Master of Arts, MA. School Leaving Certificate, SLC. Doctor of Medicine, MD. United Union, TU. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD. South East, SE. Bachelor of Education, BEd. Students, our next exercise is about contractions. In English, contraction is the process of becoming smaller, or you can say a contraction is a word made by shortening and combining two words. We use contractions in both speaking and both in writing. You are pretty much familiar with this term also. This is a word, you can say, formed by omitting or combining some of the sounds of the longer phrases. For example, the word here is I am, but when you will shorten it, you will use the sign of apostrophe and you will use it I'm. I am will become I'm. Have not, haven't. They have, they have. We are, we're. Cannot, like this, can't. They'll. Shall not, shan't.